Hey everybody, Gears here, and this is just a few hours later from the previous video. About an hour with the Makita orbital sander at 120 grit. My main objective was to check out or smooth out the cracks that were in there, the chips, and then up here there was that rust spot. And since then I've discovered another one, or rather noticed it right there. I also wanted to get a smooth pass so I could help see any dents that are going on, and I discovered a few. While I'm sanding, I started seeing this weird thing going on, and I'm thinking, okay, there goes the clear, there goes the yellow, there goes the clear, there goes the yellow, and here's the primer, then the metal. I'm like, wait a minute. And it turns out, the more I looked, the more I found that this door was painted twice, but not all of the door. This bottom rail, this goes straight down to primer and metal. So for whatever reason, they probably sprayed a basic yellow over all of it. Maybe they sanded the other coat down, maybe not. The previous owner, that is. Then they put a clear over that. No problem here. I gotta take, that's one of the reasons why I want to take this down even further, and you can likely see the variance in the yellow, and that's the different layers that are going on. So even in a section like here, you got primer, yellow, clear, then there's a yellow, then a clear, and back again. So I got a little bit of this white primer left in the spray can. After that I have to go to mixing it with the spray gun. So I want to at least cover that up, cover this up, probably a little of the others just to help protect them overnight. And then tomorrow I'll come back, give this another coat and touch-ups, and then it'll be ready for paint. Thanks for watching. See ya.